Hello, welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Grace and I have the pleasure of showing you around this 2021 model year DB11 V8 Coupe. This car is actually a shadow edition. Shadow editions are available in two exterior colours, Severo Blue or Onyx Black, and as you can see very clearly, this is an Onyx Black exterior painted car. So I'll just talk you through some particular options which are available in the Shadow Edition pack. So starting at the front of the car, we can see that this car has a black grille. The car also has black bonnet blades and a side strake as well. Looking at the wheels, these are gloss black wheels with a flash of colour in a yellow caliper. Moving to the back of the car, we can see that we have black badging and a black Aston Martin script, and at the bottom we also have dark exhaust finishes as well. So this car also has privacy glass in its back window and rear windows, and it also has a smoked rear lamp as well. So if you're looking for a very dark looking menacing car, a Shadow Edition is definitely the way forward for you. Okay, so inside the interior we can see that we've got black Alcantara headlining. We also have black leather seats with a contrast yellow stitch and perforated patterns on the actual seats. We also have the Aston Martin wings embroidered into the headrest. This car comes with a technology pack, and involved with the technology pack is the premium audio. We also have this touchpad so you can use the sat-nav or the radio with ease looking at the screen. We also have blind spot monitoring and self-parking assist. So this car also has a sports steering wheel with a flat bottom, which is made with leather and black Alcantara as well. We also have memory seating and plenty of storage within the cabin. Finally, we can see that we've got trim inlay of piano black on the doors. So there we have it. Thank you very much for joining me on this walk around of this beautiful DB11 V8 Coupe Shadow Edition. This car is available here at HWM, so if you're interested, please do give us a call or have a look at our website. Some details will be available on there. Please also remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.